In this video today, we are going to be talking about this Emax Tinyhawk Freestyle 2. So hey everybody, this is Troy.
Logan.
We are Roadside RC. Now if you've been following the channel, you know we do all of the surface things, right? We do the crawling, we do the bashing, the drifting, sometimes we do the racing, we do a whole bunch of how-to videos. At some point recently, this guy right here has been talking about like he wants to be in the air, he wants to take to the skies. And so we've been researching drones. You've seen video before of us using our DJI Spark, but you know, something more FPV, freestyle, sporty. Did a lot of research, a lot of research, and really struggled with what is the right thing to do. This is a hard world to get into because there's still a lot of people that just recommend go build your own thing and spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars and then maybe crush it and then not like it. So we stumbled across this Emax ready to fly complete bundle. Comes as you see it here. It has the fancy case, it has the goggles, it has the controller, it has the drone itself, it even has batteries that come with it, so you are literally ready to fly, spare props and everything, chargers, all the works, right out of the box. So honestly, this thing for us has been really good. I mean, I was surprised how easy it was to fly pretty early on. Yes, there were a lot of crashes. A lot of crashes. What was our first flight, Logan? The one in the garage took 3 seconds, I think.
Yeah, we're not going to talk about that.
The first flight outside was 20-something seconds?
27.
27.
Because both of them bet 10 or 3.
We didn't have a lot of confidence that the flight was going to be very long. Logan proved us wrong with a 27-second first flight before we crashed. But honestly, this drone is sitting here almost exactly as it still came out of the box. The only thing that we've done, we have zip tied the antenna off to the side to make sure that it doesn't get hit. We've zip tied the plugs up so that it doesn't. You'll see some extra zip ties on these wires. But that's really the only thing we've done, and it has crashed a bunch. Over and over. Whoa! Crashing over and over and over and over again, crashing, and it just takes it. Now we've had to replace some screws, we've had to put some different screws in here and there, we've had to do some stuff along those lines, but otherwise the drone just continues to take this punishment. The goggles are pretty good, I would say, Logan. They have fit your head really well, you know, and seem like an all-in-one kit. The picture and the image resolution out of it seem pretty good. They do not fit my glasses. That is actually a problem, of course, that we have, is being able to fit glasses, my big old hunky glasses. So a lot of times I just have to take them off in order to fly. Logan's been very generous in letting me fly with him. The controller seems fine. The only issues that we've had with the controller so far is the fact that this guy has dropped it a couple times and broken the switch off, but honestly, both times.
It's that same switch.
Honestly though, we can just take it apart with a few screws and we just soldered a new switch on. They were cheap, works like a champ. One of the things with this is, man, it has been a learning curve for us. So Logan, if somebody was coming out to you now and wanted to do this for the first time, what would you tell them? Like, how is it to learn it?
Well, after the first night that went, we're not going to talk about. The day after that, I just charged my batteries and I sat outside all day, each battery pack I had, and just fly.
Yes.
I don't care how many times I crashed it, maybe 10 in the first day, I'd say more. But it's surprising how much better you do if you just sit there and fly. Yeah,
so it was just practice, practice, practice. How many battery packs do you think you've put through it at this point?
I don't know, 50?
Maybe, I mean, a staggering amount. A staggering amount. And it was cool, because we literally went from, honestly, just driving, just flying. So we just kept flying back and forth in roughly a straight line in our front yard, just trying not to crash. With me standing out there in the middle of the yard, just so I can turn it over for him whenever he does crash. And we went from going back and forth to all of a sudden now we're trying to go around some trees. Now we're trying to do a loop or a flip.
Beautiful. That looked super easy.
Logan did his first flips and all that kind of stuff, and so You know, we've done a lot of that kind of, it's just been a slow, gradual build up over the practicing. So then here we are. So this is where we are right now. This is some clips of some recent flying that we have done. So sit back, relax, and watch this.
Good. Good. Backflip. Woohoo! No! Whoa! Oh! I thought you were gonna crash it.
So obviously we're not experts when it comes to FPV stuff. This is us just getting into this whole thing. But like, if from our experience as new folks to FPV drone freestyle flying, highly recommend this thing. I mean, this thing has taken a beating. It's been something that we can fly. It has a basic mode and some acrobatic modes and all that, so you can learn all these different things. You can kind of step into it. I'd be honest, like, it has been great. Super impressed with it. Price points in that like under $200 range. I think 185, 195, something like that. So in that sub $200 range is the price point. I just can't say enough. I have been very, very impressed with this. But anyway, anything else you want to say?
Keep practicing. I don't know.
So, words of wisdom, just keep practicing, just keep going. And, you know, we really appreciate you guys tuning in. Let us know down in the comments. Are you into the FPV world? I know there's a few of our other RC folks that we're connected to that do the FPV stuff. We would love to hear your feedback, love to hear your opinions. What are you flying? I'm working on getting myself a drone so that I can fly around with Logan, maybe something different. And we will see more of this. So let us know, you know, do you fly? What do you fly? Is this interesting to you? Are you looking forward to seeing more of this on our channel? More of it, I believe, is coming. So stay tuned. Thank you very much. Until we see you next time, come over here, check out some of the other videos and everything that we have going on, and we will see you next time. So goodbye and thank you.
Bye.